If you're thinking about building or buying your own chicken coop, it's good to plan ahead so that you know what to look for to keep your chickens safe and comfortable. In this video, I'll show you the most important must-have features as well as some nice-to-have features too. There you go, guys. Some people get so excited about having backyard chickens, they go all out. They order storage buildings like this and they convert them to chicken coops. And that works great, especially if you have a lot of chickens. But for most backyard chicken owners, a smaller coop is more appropriate, like this one. Now this belongs to a family, their chickens are on the way, but everything else is ready to go. This one happens to be 5 feet by 6 feet, but they actually ordered it online. They specified the paint color and they had it shipped here. But it's almost like buying a car these days when you buy a coop. There's all kinds of options that you can pick, and this one happens to be loaded with features. This coop has nesting boxes with easy access from the outside. Although there are only 6 boxes, that's not a problem because chickens don't mind sharing. Another important feature of any coop is ventilation, and this one has lots of it, with 2 windows on the front and 1 across the back. A really nice feature of this coop is the easy clean-out access. Once you get a few chickens roosting inside, you'll really appreciate this feature. All coops need an access door for chickens to come in and out, but this one has the added feature of an automatic door that opens at dawn and closes at dusk. Inside the coop, it's wired for electricity, including 2 electrical outlets. The roosting bars are conveniently located over the clean-out tray. In fact, the entire floor has a coating of vinyl, which makes the entire cleanup a lot easier. Now, you never want your chickens to be cooped up for very long, which is why they need a safe place to go outside. And in this case, it's provided by the optional run. Now, the chickens are safe because of this metal vinyl-coated wire on the sides and all across the top. And that's equally as important because of the birds of prey. And because these chickens can get underneath the coop, you need that protection around the perimeter as well, and that's provided in this case. Oh yeah, you need to get in and out of here as well to do your cleanup, and you have a door for that. If you'd like to see how to build a simple, sturdy, and affordable backyard chicken coop from scratch, we also have that video waiting for you on our YouTube channel, Joe Gardner TV.